Do you know you can chat directly with admin, close deal fast, make seamless transaction all in one app? That's what makes SharpDrop different. Let me show you how to create an account, log in, and start trading on SharpDrop immediately in less than 7 minutes, explaining SharpDrop in full details. At the end of this video, you will be ready to make your first transaction and type of service SharpDrop render. Simple, secure, and smooth. SharpDrop is CAC verified, SMEDAN certificate, and also EFCC certificate. As you can see, you can do a visibility study. SharpDrop has a physical address, has a different means of support in case you have any issue on the transaction. SharpDrop is designed for seamless transaction plus a direct admin support, a real-time admin chat. You can negotiate price and be on the same page. So it's a safe, fast, and trustworthy platform. With SharpDrop, you don't just trade, you have a direct line to admin who support you in a real time, no stress, no waiting. So the first thing you need to do is to download SharpDrop on your smartphone. If you're using Android, just search for Sharp Drop digital service. You see the app. This is the app logo. This is the app logo. X like a chatting stuff. So let's go to Apple Store. Quick one, guys. Note, SharpDrop is only same thing. You search for Sharp Drop. Quick one, guys. SharpDrop is only available to Nigeria iCloud user. If you are using the US iCloud user, all you need to do is to use the web app. As simple as that. It's like the normal app on Apple Store and Play Store. So you just go to any of your browser you are using. Just search for SharpDrop app on any browser, either Safari, either Firefox, any browser you are using. Just search for SharpDrop app. Then you will see the landing page. So what you just click on sign up now, or you check the description of this video. You click on sign up now to load. Guys, please bear with me. My network is kind of lagging, but please guys, just bear with me. So let's download the app. So guys, it has downloaded successfully. So you just click on open. As you can see on the web app, you just these are the details you need to create account. In less than 2 minutes, we're going to create our account. So this is it, guys. This is it. You can see SharpDrop logo. I also add the web app to my home screen. You can add the web app to your home screen to look like a mobile. So allow notification so that you'll be receiving a sharp notification from admin whenever they reply you. So it will load up. Guys, please bear with my network today. Bear with me, guys. So trade crypto with SharpDrop, buy and sell crypto, or trade this seamlessly, secure transaction guarantee, global market, global B2C market, that's business to customer. So there's nothing like P2P that hold your money. Anytime your phone is being lost, you hold SharpDrop for the transaction. So you click on join us today. So when you click on join us today, these are the details you need to create your account. You need first name, last name, email address, your WhatsApp number, your main WhatsApp number you are using. Please, guys, so that if there's an issue, they can escalate to you through a WhatsApp number. Also, you put your password and make sure you click on accept terms and conditions and privacy, so you'll be able to create your account. So let's fill that real quick. So my first name is Moses. Let me do this real quick. Moses. So guys, I'll fill in my details correctly. I've input my first name, second name, my Gmail, and my phone WhatsApp number with my country code, which is +234. And I enter my password, repeat the same password, and I click on that box, accept terms and privacy policy. Then you click on sign up now, this button. So guys, bear with my network. Good, successful. Now we'll create our 6-digit security pin. This pin will be prompted whenever you want to complete a transaction. So this 6-digit pin, let me get 25282528. Then you click on continue, this continue button. Click on this continue button. Let me screenshot that. Guys, please bear with my network. Pin is set successfully and your account has been successfully set up. So you check your email, you have to activate your account. There's an email you have to, so you can activate your account. So I've done that already. Let me now log in with my login details right now. So guys, I'm logging in with the details we all created. We created together now. So I'll click on sign in. So welcome back. Place your order ASAP. So guys, this is our account. We have successfully created account on SharpDrop in less than 2 minutes or in less than 1 minute. So let's just take a turn on the app. So you can see your profile. Let's add a profile. Yeah. So this is the app. You can on your dark mode, light mode. So it's just going to be blank because this is your first time using the app. So when you come to support, SharpDrop have a calling number, a special hotline. If you call this number, a team is going to pick. You click on press 1 to speak with customer support, or press 2 to block your account, stuff like that. Yeah, SharpDrop give you that opportunity. And also they have a WhatsApp number. When you click on reach out to us, you reach out. Yeah, it will take you to their support at sharpdropapp.com. So anywhere, anytime you go to their office to lay complaint, they have a verified office address at Yaba, Lagos State. So let's do like want to trade on the app. So you click on new channel here. When you click on new channel, you can see you can buy and sell crypto instantly, buy and sell gift card instantly, exchange dollar, pounds, yen, euro to naira. Like, do you have money in your DOM account? You want to buy dollar, you want to sell dollar, you can do this transaction on via chatting. You can negotiate on this app. You can also get shipping address. Those of you that want to ship goods, like you need the US shipping address, China shipping address to take, so the supplier will be able to take the goods to the shipping address. So you verify they have shipping address on that. You can also send and receive money within Africa. We have 54 country in Africa. You can send and receive money within Africa. Someone wants to send money from Gabon, Ghana, South Africa, you can do that on SharpDrop. You can also pick all country funds like Mexico, Pakistan, Indian, US, like Cash App, legit funds. See, SharpDrop, see, you as a youth, elderly one, you can use SharpDrop to do your daily transaction. See, a crypto tech guy, working boys, any type of online also you are doing, SharpDrop is needed. It's a pocket app, there is a mandatory app you need on your phone right now. So let's do like I'm going to message buy and sell crypto instantly. So when you click on it, you click on buy and sell crypto instantly. So guys, please, my network is slow. Just click on it once. So let me send hello, good day, good day. So immediately you send good day, hello, good day. You can see admin is going to surely reply. So automatically it's going to be added here. So if you know added, just refresh or clear send app and open back. As simple as that. It should be added automatically. Guys, this is a startup app. Their license, and please note all transaction is done. Guys, like I said, my network. So guys, as you can see, the admin has replied. Okay. Okay. I want to sell. I'm just trying the app $100 USDT. Let's also message another channel. Let's message another channel. Let's message send and receive money within Africa. Guys, please bear with me today. My network is kind of slow. So I'm just saying, hello, admin. Just any message. You can negotiate. Okay, this is my offer. You guys beat down on your offer. And you close the deal. Automatically, you refresh the app. You can see. There's admin. They reply immediately. So this is the WhatsApp number. Guys, if the app you are experiencing some downtime and stuff like that, you can reach out to them on WhatsApp. This is SharpDrop WhatsApp number. As you guys can see, this is their support group. This is their number. This is the number, guys. This is SharpDrop customer WhatsApp. So this is SharpDrop WhatsApp. I reach out to them with this. Okay. Okay. You're showing me 1,005 per. Let me. Right. With the post tensors. Okay. Like how much is 500 CDs? That is Ghana CDs. So there I want to try and pick it. But nothing. Their Ghana their mobile account number or any means so you should pay the money. You get, guys. So one thing is a chat admin app, like a chatting app like WhatsApp. Send your request, negotiate, close the deal live, no middleman, no delay. Once you agree on a price, complete the payment securely on the app. Every transaction is smooth and traceable. Imagine closing your next deal while shipping your gadget. That's how SharpDrop make transaction feel. So guys, they have the best rates. Another cool feature is you get notified whenever okay, you can see immediately. They reply us 500 cities. You can see the rate is top notch. You can also send image. You don't send image before you start. You want to send image. You just click on this icon here to send image. That's how you guys can send image. You can add audio channels. Those are the channels that you are most likely to be using on your app every time, every day. The app is active. Okay, then like send wallet. We are testing the app together. Send address because the rate is good. As for today, it is buying one USDT for 1,500 naira per dollar. You can see when you want to see that kind of rate. They also have office address. You get, guys. So thousands of smart users are already trying. You know, this is a new fintech app. People are already trying this app and their feedback. You can go to Play Store to check their review and everything. And also you guys can follow them on Instagram where you do receive like this the app. You can see their certificate SMEDAN.
Your financial world. Introducing SharpDrop. SharpDrop, the easiest and most secure way to check crypto. Fast, reliable, and user-friendly.
You can see these are the teams. These are part of the teams. And you can see their office address. So SharpDrop is legit. You can contact them via call, via WhatsApp, via email support, anywhere, anytime. Let's take that. Yes, you can see. You can see the same address. You can also copy a message, paste account number. Please note, you're only paying to a company account. Any other admin that says you pay to a personal account, please and please don't ever initiate the transaction. So it can be traceable. Pay to their company account. You say SharpDrop Technology Limited. And also, if they don't credit you, they credit you with their company account. Are you getting it, guys? You can also add other channels. So SharpDrop, you receive chat notification, as you can see. So make sure you allow notification. As you can see on the screen, these are you receive the chat notification. So whenever admin reply you, and if you have any downtime or you're experiencing anything, just contact them via this phone call or go to their IG, write them on WhatsApp what the issue you're experiencing so it can be solved. And if there's a delay of payment, reach out to them so it can be solved immediately. That's why you have to use your personal WhatsApp number. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share SharpDrop with friends. So you'll be making money. Another cool feature about SharpDrop is that whenever you refer your friends to SharpDrop and they complete this transaction, you'll be getting a rebate commission that is a passive earning. So you just share this copy this your affiliate link. So when they're creating an account, that place they put a referral, they have to input it there. So you not here you see how many referrals you have so far. So you'll be earning commission from that. You can see we are the leading industry scheduled and attractive payout, drive traffic to BTC SharpDrop, and we give you commission up to 1 million naira on each user that become active clients. So you'll be the one to market SharpDrop today and everything. Guys, go and try SharpDrop now to buy or sell and sell crypto instantly, buy and sell gift card instantly, send and receive money within Africa, and also get a verified shipping address in any country, any gadget, anything you're trying to ship into the country, they got you with verified shipping address. And you can also help you to sell your gadget over there if it's cash you need. So don't need to panic. They have office address. They also accept physical transaction. And if you are trying to pick country money all over the world, you need their local account to pay the money. Guys, SharpDrop got you covered and within Africa. So guys, download SharpDrop now, the most app for all type of transaction. Bye for now. See you guys in my next video. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. You can use their web app if it's not available on your device. You can use their web app. You can use their web app anytime, any day. Check the description of this video. If you can't find it on Play Store, App Store, just use the web app. It's the same thing as the normal application, guys. So you just click on come here, you click on login or sign up. And transaction keep on going.